Most people think Nepal is just mountains and monks, but its history is filled with myths that feel unreal. Here are 10 strange facts about Nepal's history. Fact 1. Nepal is home to the Kumari, a real living goddess, a young girl believed to be divine while she lives in a palace and is worshipped by thousands. Fact 2. Some Nepali temples were built using cosmic geometry, aligned with the stars to channel spiritual energy. Fact 3. Nepal was never colonized, despite being surrounded by empires that conquered nearly everything else in the region. Fact 4. The Gorkha warriors of Nepal were so feared that the British recruited them instead of fighting them. Fact 5. Ancient cities in the Kathmandu Valley are older than Rome and have been continuously inhabited for over 2,000 years. Fact 6. Nepali legends speak of serpent spirits called Naga that guard rivers, lakes, and entire valleys. Fact 7. Some Himalayan valleys were once hidden kingdoms, sealed off from the outside world for centuries. Fact 8. Tantric rituals practiced in Nepal were considered so powerful that outsiders were forbidden from witnessing them. Fact 9. Death rituals in Nepal take place openly beside daily life, where cremation and prayer coexist calmly and publicly. Fact 10. Many Nepalese believe the mountains themselves are living gods, not just sacred places, but divine beings. Nepal's history isn't just ancient, it's alive. Follow for more anime history